You can use the Invite via Email function to quickly invite clients to complete an action. This is also a great way to introduce clients to their client portal or your scheduling page. Start by selecting Clients on the left side menu. Select the client you'd like to complete the action. From the client's card, click on More near the top of the card. Next, select Invite via Email. You'll need to select the call to action you'd like to invite your clients to take. There are 6 actions, plus any additional actions you added to your client portal. For this example, I am going to invite the client to log into their client portal, which will send them an email with a link to the login page. After logging into the client portal, your clients can view their bookings, make payments, download documents, and much more. Once your action is selected, click Continue. The email subject, body, and button text will already be filled out by default, but feel free to make any changes. When you're ready, click Send. You can find the sent message in the Sent folder of your inbox and in the Conversation tab of the client's card.